Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's idiom is egg on. Do you know what is the meaning of egg on? Egg will be used as a verb, not as a noun. It means to encourage, urge, or push someone to do something, often a risky, foolish, or daring action. In English, we use a parallel word provoke. So it is the meaning of provoke, to provoke something. So instead of using the word provoke, we use egg on. In Urdu, इसका मतलब होता है किसी को उकसाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे मत उकसाओ. डो नॉट एग मी ऑन. मुझे उकसाना बंद करो. Stop egging me on. So instead of using the word provoke, it's better to use idiomatic English, egg on. So it's very beautiful to use egg on instead of using provoke. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe Concept Coaching. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.